Welcome to our tutorial video. In this session, we will guide you through the correct installation and operation of the 7075 multi-angle adjustable Cant precision scope rings. Before you begin, please note the system consists of two distinct components: the front adjustable Cant indexing ring and the rear self-centering pivot ring. They must be installed strictly in their designated positions. Placement: install the indexing adjustment ring at the front and the follow-fit pivot ring at the rear. Spacing: ensure the distance between the two rings is between 50 millimeters and 80 millimeters. Orientation: make sure the laser edge scale values are facing the left side, not the right. Initial calibration: lock the indexing adjustment ring precisely at the 0 MOA mark. Direction: ensure the end with the lower hole profile is facing forward. Final assembly: once these steps are complete, you may proceed to mount your rifle scope. Select your desired MOA adjustment angle, tighten all screws to the specified torque, and the installation is complete.